Interserver Overview. Interserver is a well-established web hosting company known for its reliability and variety of hosting options. Here's a quick breakdown of their offerings. Standard web hosting, suitable for small to medium websites, offers unlimited storage, data transfer, and email accounts. Starts at just $2.50 per month. ASP.NET Hosting, ideal for developers using Microsoft's .NET framework. Supports ASP.NET, MVC, and SQL databases. Robust security and 24/7 support. Boost web hosting, enhanced performance for websites needing extra speed. Includes increased resources and optimized server configurations. Perfect for e-commerce and high-traffic sites. Hostinger Overview. Hostinger is a popular web hosting provider known for its affordability and user-friendly services. Here's what they offer. Shared web hosting, ideal for beginners and small to medium websites. Offers a free domain, SSL, and weekly backups. Starts at just $2.99 per month. VPS Hosting, provides dedicated resources and full root access, suitable for larger projects needing more control and power. Plans start at $3.99 per month. Cloud Hosting, combines the power of VPS with the simplicity of shared hosting. Ensures high availability and automatic backups. Plans start at $9.99 per month. Both Interserver and Hostinger offer excellent web hosting solutions tailored to different needs. Whether you need affordable shared hosting or more powerful VPS and cloud options, you'll find a plan that fits your requirements. For more details and to sign up, check the links in the description of my channel. Happy hosting!